That's a different kind of performance, my dear.
It's a casino,
Yes.
come on.
Anyway, ito lang po ang question ko. Kaya nga po kami parating nagsishow. Dahil ramdam na ramdam ko na madami pa pong mga Team Hopia.
Team what?
Hopia. Yung mga hoping.
Oh my God.
Tama ba po ako?
Both?
Sino po sa atin ang kasali sa Team Hopia? Itaas po mga
Really?
Ay, grabe kayo.
You notice those who screamed either have white hair or no hair.
Well,
That's how long
does
they've
that
been waiting
mean?
for this hopia to develop, yes? But you know the best thing about it, you know what's kept us together, even just on stage? Not just our kids, Robin and Ram, but each and every one
That's
of you.
right.
It's true! You give us more reason to stay together, even just on stage.
And it's always a pleasure to perform in front of all of you. Dahil it's a different kind of high that we get.
What
no?
kind of high do you get when you
High.
sing?